Welcome to Brighton Asylum, folks. We're here in Passaic, New Jersey. We've also met up with Team Skelegore while we're over here. This is our very first time here at Brighton Asylum. We've heard nothing but good things about it. We've got 3 separately themed haunts going on inside here for Valentine's Day. Of course, make sure you come back and check out the full show during haunt season. Normally, they've got a whole monster museum out here. They've got DJs playing outside, but they've got the DJ inside this time because it's kind of club themed for Valentine's Day. Lots of awesome stuff. You can hear the chainsaws going off behind me. We are going to take you guys through the haunted houses with us tonight and get some scares.
Ta-da! It's a girl!
It's a girl.
Oh yeah, you ready to film me? I'll film you, good too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Happy's back from the dead, baby.
Happy's back.
Looking for some bunnies tonight. Looking for some bunnies?
Yep.
Oh, that's Jerry! It was a little boy from Halloween. We feed him every month.
That's good. That's nice of you.
He's very low effort.
Oh yeah.
Stay in there!
Ooh. Uh-oh. What are we getting into?
Oh, getting on the subway. Oh God.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Moving around.
Holy cow. I love them. Oh, what is that?
How'd you get out there?
We love you. Escape Brighton Asylum. Oh my gosh.
Oh God.
I want to go get buff. This thing is awesome. Yeah. Woo.
We're gonna need a chiropractor after this.
Right?
Jayhawk, where they call him?
I don't like being up front in this. It's creeping me out. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, that was awesome. Huge big snake. Ooh, it's a danger noodle. Big one. Oh, big danger noodle. Watch for the danger noodles.
I promise we won't hurt you that badly.
No.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh, look at that bottomless. Down there. Ooh, that's really cool. Ooh, this is really messing with me. Oh, ew, those might be spider eggs. They're not spider eggs. Woo! Oh, what the heck is that? What is that thing? Oh my God, this is really cool. Oh, but it's like low and intimidating.
Maybe a bushman in here.
Ah! Shit! What? I don't know if I want to! Where do I go? Okay. Oh, look at that. What is that? A shark? God, he was hiding so good. Ooh, we're in the homeless area. Oh, I don't have any. I'm sorry. Uh-oh. Anybody got change? Ooh. Change. Thou shalt not trust it. Oh, that is yuck. Ugh, what is coming out of their mouths? They want to French kiss you. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Oh. Oh, wow, look at this.
Bring down fire and hellstone, and I ask, where's your God?
Oh God, I don't know. What are you?
Oh, I love that
I
character.
think we've seen her.
I love her. She's my favorite.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's awesome. So this is attraction number 2. All white is definitely unique. I like it. Wonder if she bites.
Probably.
Yeah?
I hope she does.
Oh, Brian. Oh gosh, the asylum is ready.
Waiting it up.
Oh, that music is just.
Receptionist. Oh God. Angry receptionist.
I don't know if that receptionist really works here anymore. I don't know.
Welcome to dental!
Oh, dental?
Oh, I can smell the cavities!
Oh from them.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You got step.
Oh, it's a padded room.
Holy
Oh, good God.
You belong in here for sure. Woo! That's a really crazy padded room. I like that. I hear you.
Hey, Smiley! Don't forget the floss!
Okay. I've got it in my pocket. What in the world? Yeah.
Oh, my.
Oh God.
It's a vampire.
Stay behind
I
there.
think he's hungry. Oh shit, he come out.
He did not stay behind there.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
He's sneaky.
He's coming back.
Yeah. That's
He's
true.
looking for blood.
And room number 13. Our room's this way. Oh God, what happened to that? Whoopee.
I love it sick.
Oh,
I love it sick.
Right, well.
it is. Oh,
Your love will be sick too.
it will. Oh man. Uh-oh. Shit.
Oh, I know you!
Uh-oh.
Scare Factor!
Yeah. Oh God.
You
Oh
wanna play
God.
my chicken?
Yeah. Chicken bread. I do. Yes. I'll do it. Are you nice?
You smell so good.
Oh God, you guys have broken it.
Play with me.
Oh, we gotta get through the hole.
Yeah.
Chicken, Nora!
Aw. It's
You want
beautiful.
scat? I can slide it down your throat. It's nice and corny, hot and ready.
But then I'll sound like a chicken all the time.
But I got Hershey squirts like hot chocolate.
Uh-oh.
Ew.
I love that.
Play with the chicken.
Oh, I like your chicken.
In the bathroom.
Only in the
Desperately
bathroom.
wants somebody to play with his chicken.
Oh, whoa, that's really cool.
Whoa.
Wow,
Oh, my.
that's awesome.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my.
Dang. Like I said, fear of heights.
God.
Uh-oh. Storage is safe, right?
Should be.
See?
Oh, God.
What happened?
Oops.
I love it. Oh,
Mannequins.
you guys, the body's moving. I hate it when the bodies are moving. That one's moving.
He's not dead yet. Oh, God.
What the heck was
You're
that?
interrupting my dinner again.
I'm
Sorry. Again? I don't think I've been
It
here
all
before.
looks so yummy.
My dinner.
Oh my God. Whoa. Look at that. Holy cow. Whoa.
Whoa.
It just started
Broke through the
swimming
windows.
here. Oh, that is awesome.
It's storming.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my. They're crazy.
This is a cool hallway.
I like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Who is the fly? What the? What are we in? Ew, what the heck? What is that? Ooh,
You just gotta touch one.
I touched it.
Oh, God.
It's so hot right here. Oh,
Can't figure out what they
trying to
are.
burn us to death. Uh-oh. Drop them down. She's got sucky sticks. Oh! Oh, big freaking werewolf!
Oh, God.
Holy cow! Oh, spiders!
Don't get eaten by the werewolf.
Ah! Yeah!
Oh, Spideys.
God, that one's close.
It's
Ew!
reaching down.
That's so disgusting. That's what laid them eggs.
Those were spider legs.
Oh!
You're going, beautiful.
The hell away from them spiders.
Oh, all right.
I don't. What the heck is that? Oh, oh, hey, Biddy.
To the Playboy Cabinet of Love.
Oh,
There's Hiffy.
you got a bunny.
This is my first one.
Your first
That's Playboy
one.
number one right here.
Okay,
Yep.
That's bunny number one.
that's
Bunny
a
number
special
one.
Why is he flat? Phil,
flat,
Phil,
flat.
Phil, 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 Phil. It's flat. It's
it is
flat.
flat.
There's nothing there. There's nothing there. That's not. normal.
Did you eat it? Which way do I go?
Wherever way you want to go.
Oh my God, can you?
It's up to you. It's up to you.
I want to go where I don't die. What is that even? Oh, guts. Look at all these. Gut curtains.
Oh, Valentine, look at what you brought.
Oh, Valentine, yeah? Oh, you getting down with it. Get down with the clown.
What is that up there?
Yeah. Okay, where are we going? Uh-oh. I usually don't follow clowns. I don't trust you. Oh God, what is that? Oh, it's a big giant hand. Wow, I like it. Ah! He's reaching. That's great. Oh no, come on now. You're nice, right?
The freaking junkyard.
Oh no, he disappeared. No, where'd he go? He disappeared.
Where's the junkyard? You trying to be my girlfriend?
Nope.
What's our safe word gonna be? Don't say pineapple. Everybody says pineapple.
Damn it. Hershey squirts.
Hershey squirts.
Ooh, I like that. Unlock it.
Oh, good God.
Oh, I did until you caught me off guard.
Yeah.
We're going into the caverns. Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh God, tilted bridge. They didn't make it.
They definitely did not make it.
It's freaking caves in here. Holy cow.
I know. Oh, whoa.
Oh God. Oh God.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we got another here.
Oh, God.
Oh, I've seen these. These are super cool.
That's...
The spikes of death are not super cool, Brian.
No, they're awesome.
Shit.
Oh God. It's a
I didn't know which way to go.
It's an alligator.
Party time. Oh, hell.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's party time.
You like what you see, don't you?
Yeah, be mine.
The best
Be
part,
mine.
you're not, boyfriend. You ain't gonna forget it.
Oh, ooh, creepy kids.
It's you.
You'll float too.
Georgie's.
Ooh, that's creepy. This is a very physically interactive font. I like it.
Oh.
Oh, crap. Oh, yeah, there is a Pennywise in here that's real. No. I think they need to see you. Oh, I hope I don't float. Yeah, what did you do to Georgie's arm? Yeah, oh, look at the big pile of stuff. Oh. We like a Pennywise, the dancing clown. Bye. Bye, Pennywise. Uh-oh. That was a big, long hallway of scary stuff. You all hear that stuff crawling or flying, whatever
Sound
that
like
is?
spiders.
I hear cute little sky puppies.
Okay,
I
it's
hear
not
spiders.
It's not spiders, right?
Cute little sky
Oh,
puppies.
I think it might
Sky
be.
puppies.
Hello. Oh,
He seems
he's
excited
from the
about
food
something.
services. Yeah, ready.
We'll try.
Uh-oh.
Welcome.
Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, thanks.
Are you enjoying yourself so far?
Yes.
Well, welcome to my domain where you are here for worse of things. Are you ready for what's behind these doors?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Well, come on, because I did cook a little bit.
Oh,
I got some ribs, liver, lung, tongue, heart. Got feet, legs, whatever you want, I got you.
whatever's the most tender, I guess.
Oh, so you got some heart.
Yep.
I cook it real tender.
Okay.
You wait right here by this table. I'm going to back and fix your plate.
Okay, we'll be back. How about that?
Time!
Oh, jeez. that was a good one. Ooh. All the furniture is like displaced. Shit. They will find you. Oh, what is that? Oh God. The lights went out. Oh no. Uh-oh. Woo! Yeah!
Shit, walk on the sides.
That is awesome.
You don't want to fall down into the crawl space.
I'm gonna fall.
Guys, I think I might be Wile E. Coyote.
No, they're coming out of the ceiling.
That is awesome.
Running on air.
I love that hallway. Oh,
they're
flying
mattresses.
Oh, I'm using mine. I don't think I can spare it. Ooh, they got book towers.
Imagine what great books are in here. Unions of their own choosing.
Talking in my library.
Documents of German foreign policy.
Talking.
Brian's
Naughty.
Brian's
I'm excited.
You're excited?
I'm excited. You got some great books in here. I mean, documents of German foreign policy?
Yes.
I mean, come
All the
on.
books are mine.
Oh, you got a lot. Oh, gosh.
Can I follow you?
Sure, come on. You can be our new friend.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
She really is following us. Is she the one that is breaking the chinaware?
Oh God!
Shit! Whoa, that
that's a good
broom is
one.
really messing with me.
Oh, you're bloody. Hard.
No. That's the windows.
Anybody else feel like a moving?
A what?
Very disoriented.
Wow. Ooh, she literally sang her life away.
It's not creepy at all.
Got me. Oh,
Hello.
lovers, yes. Oh, look at the crosses.
Oh my.
Oh, shoot. I think I hear whispers.
I'm a tailor!
Oh my goodness. Oh, what the hell is that?
That's not very nice.
That is a really big dolly.
The eyes.
Oh.
I'll eat your heart out.
That's not very nice
Look at
either.
these dollies. Oh, look at her. Shoot, they're fast. Ooh, you're quick.
Well, someone wants to be your Valentine tonight.
Uh-oh. Are they nice? As long as you're nice, I'm good. Okay.
You might be nice. And a Valentine coming your way.
Shoot, don't warn them. Shh. Uh-oh.
Oh God. Lights falling down.
Things shorten up.
Give me a big old kiss.
Oh, God. Okay. Oh.
Oh God.
Okay. Yeah, where'd he go?
Now you gotta follow him.
I don't want it. It's a dark closet.
Get ready to fix the broken eye.
Oh,
Let me see everything get so up.
Seriously?
Hurry it up.
God.
Oh, God. I need some sugar.
No, it's a big doctor. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yes, I do. That was great.
The voices want you.
Oh, what? Oh, I don't know if I hear any yet. Sorry. You did. You did.
Tonight!
Oh, okay.
Come with us! Come here!
I don't think I want
I
to.
said come!
Oh, you're
Let's
mean.
suck you dry
Why
and
are you so mad? Good God. Okay. Okay, you can calm down.
You shouldn't be in the hall of Brighton!
Oh, shit.
You
Okay.
shouldn't be here!
Oh,
Get out of
I think I know that
Brighton
now.
Asylum!
Good.
Leave us!
We're
I
leaving.
don't like that siren.
We're leaving.
Oh, okay. Don't you dare shock me. Oh, God, they're Oh, what is that? Ow! Okay. Oh, God, is that your mom? It's like a freaking meat hallway.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool, though. Ew!
It's just like some big pieces of beef jerky.
Barely. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. We made it. And that just spits you out right here. Perfect. Goes right to the gift
Right
shop.
to the gift shop.
Yeah.
Brian's
Yes.
a little toasty.
Yes. That's because he was walking too fresh.
Look at it.
I
Look.
sweat a lot.
Look. He's moist.
I'm also balding.
Ooh, that was good.